everyone, it's Hazel here, Hazel Cottrell from the Creative Content Company, and today I would like to talk to you about customer reviews. So reviews and testimonials are really important. They're a great way of, instead of you saying I'm good at what I do, other people are saying you're good at what you do for you, which is really, really important. In fact, they might be the key to your online success. See what I did there? So the first thing you need to do is collect them. So every time you do some work with someone, send an email afterwards. This might be with your invoice. You could share a link to leaving a review. This might be later on, and try and target yourself every month to spend some time going back through previous clients that haven't left a testimonial and give them a call for a testimonial. Some people struggle with that blank page and don't know what to write in a testimonial. So why not ask some questions? We'd love a testimonial from you. Could you answer these questions for us? Why did you use us? How did you find us? What have we done for you? What have you gained from using us? Would be an example for us. Of course, for different businesses, different examples, but it's a really good way of getting people to say what you want them to say about your business. Then use them. Where can you use your testimonials and reviews? So people post, our clients, luckily for us, are awesome. And they put their testimonials on Google, they put it on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, and we are able to copy and paste those onto our website. So on the website, we have a testimonials page. I'm proud to say we have over 200 testimonials on that page. Now, every day on social media, we share one of those testimonials. Because we've got so many and because we post so much on social media, this is easy for us to do. However, if you're only posting once a day on social media, do not make that a testimonial every single day. For reasons like that, I would use #testimonialtuesday and share just one of those testimonials. We also have a blog post called our favourite testimonials of the month before, and we will share 3 of our favourite testimonials from the month before. Now this is a really good way for us to further get our business out there, to get the brand out there, and to remind people that we're awesome at what we do, and we're not saying that, these people are saying it for us. You can also use them turn them into case studies. So if you've got a really good testimonial, how can you make that become a case study? So a case study is really a 3-section part. So it starts with who are you, what do you do, the business, your client. The second one is why you came to your business, in this case Creative Content Company, and the last section is what did you think, and that's kind of your testimonial bit at the bottom. Creative Content Company are awesome, they do this, and this is how it's helped us achieve more. Think about that for your own business. Case studies are really, really useful, and lots of testimonials can be used as case studies. And then how about a testimonial from the industry? So it's something we only came across recently, and we started doing it as of March 2020. We've been sharing how we help electricians, how we help hairdressers, and we're sharing the testimonials from those industries. So if a hairdresser is looking for a content writer or a blogger or a social media manager, then they can see that we've helped these other businesses and how we've helped them and what we've done for them. So think about different ways you can use your testimonials. Definitely have a testimonials page on your website. Have snippets of testimonials on your different pages on the website as well. Think about putting them in blog posts. Share them on social media. Testimonials are awesome. They are social proof of who you are and that you are awesome at what you do. They are what will encourage people to use your services, buy from your business, buy from your brand, and recommend you to others as well. So testimonials, make sure you get them, make sure you use them. That's Hazel Cottrell at the Creative Content Company, helping your business achieve more online. Thank you very much.